pasión para mi gente. Con una pasión tan fuerte.
Alright guys, taco review time. Okay, so we have Birria La Vaquita. Birria La Vaquita. Not only, I just like saying that. Birria La Vaquita. Vaquita? I just like saying the word birria, I don't know, I'm probably butchering it, whatever. But one taco, okay? So, you know, I try to do these other scoring systems before. Of course, they're all gonna go 1 through 10, okay? But I try to like bit and piece of different like people who review. Screw them, we're just gonna do it. So our scare is if it's our scale, if it's that good, we are gonna go ahead and give it a uno mas rating, okay? So if you want uno mas, and then if you get to the taco cartel range, taco cartel range is gonna be at the 9s and above. So this is going to be a birria, a queso birria taco. So right off the bat, if you check this guy out right here, dripping like my mouth is just watering. I'm dying right now. I'm so hungry. I don't even know what to do with myself. But they have these birria meat. Okay, now this is like a slow stewed meat, and then they dip it into the oil, and then they go ahead and shred it up, and it's freaking. It looks amazing. And then they have these pickled onions on here. Typically, I'm a more simple man, but this is off of 10330 Mason Street in Chatsworth, California. 10330 Mason Street, California. It's actually right in front of a Trader Joe's. I mean, Trader Joe's is pretty cool. I'm down with Trader Joe's. Birria La Vaquita. One taco, one bite. Let's go ahead and see what. No, I'm not gonna do the one bite. What's wrong with me? What am I doing? The one bite, and we're gonna see what this son of a. I know this is already gonna be crispy, and it's gonna be. Just get on with it. Right out the gate. Hold on, you gotta do the radish. Right out the gate, super cheesy. Got a really nice kick when it comes to that pickled onions. I think that's just the pickled onions. Yo, seriously, typically you would need hot sauce on something like this, or you do it like in any taco. But this already has such a nice little spice and such a nice little kick to it. Birria La Vaquita. I don't know why, I just like saying the name. So this is a birria taco. Chatsworth, California. Let's put a little lime on it. Let's see if it changes anything around. So is this going to be in the taco cartel range? So right off the gate, okay? I'm more of like, you know, a regular carne asada type of guy. These birria tacos, they're awesome. They're great. All birria tacos are like, you know, they're really cool if you're into it. It's really cheesy for me, and it's really like, I like the lighter. I want to eat like 20, 30 tacos, right? This, I'm gonna eat this. I'm gonna go take a nap. This is definitely an uno mas taco. This is going to be an 8-2. Birria La Vaquita, 8-2. That's my official score, because this is amazing. The lime, you didn't even have to put the lime on there. I swear to God, I'm gonna go eat the rest of this. I'm gonna go order another one, and I'm gonna go to sleep. Just gonna go pass out somewhere. 8-2. Solid taco. Really meaty flavor. And that's a review. By the way, if you want up to 50% commission rebate on your next home purchase, or for any mortgaging assistance, link in the description below. God damn, this is freaking amazing. Holy crap. I don't know if I was just really hungry. Bomb. 8-2.